Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here at the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to put together a natural fragrant dry shampoo. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this natural fragrant dry shampoo, which you can spray into the roots of your hair to absorb excess oil in the scalp and have fresh hair in no time. We are starting with our hero ingredient, Alta-Capta-Sense. Alta-Capta-Sense is an absorbent powder designed to hold up to 20% fragrance concentration without clogging. It is alcohol-free and a natural alternative to silica. It is made from Breton kaolin and micronized bamboo powder and uses its unique powder structure to capture scents, making it ideal for creating dry fragrant-based formulations. When used in dry shampoo, Alta-Capta-Sense provides a light and airy texture while delivering a pleasant and long-lasting fragrance. So I will add my chosen fragrance, which is a combination of grapefruit, lavender and rosemary essential oils. You can add your own personalized fragrance blend. Alta-Capta-Sense has the capacity to absorb up to 20% fragrance concentration. Now I'll also add in some mixed tocopherol to protect my essential oils from oxidation. And you can see that's blended in beautifully with no clumping. Now I'm adding in some Dry Flow PC, which is a naturally derived oil absorber to get rid of any unwanted shine on the hair or the scalp. And some Amaze Nordic Barley, which is well suited for dry shampoos with its smooth and natural feel on the hair, and it offers a conditioning feel to the hair without the addition of cetrimonium chloride. It also helps to control shine by absorbing excess oils while feeling less rough and not as dry as other starches feel. And that's it. They've combined together beautifully with no clumping of the essential oils. And now we just pour that off either into a shaker bottle or into a pump bottle. And it's that simple to create a natural, fragrant, dry shampoo for your hair to absorb excess oil. See? And that's how easy it is to put together a natural, fragrant, dry shampoo. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!